At pink. Self-serving. Oh, sige, bili tayo ba?
Ako na lang.
Okay, go. Wow.
Ano ba?
Thank you, thank you. Check. Mini.
His wonders already passed, so he's shooting at the glass, keeping guns in his locker, and he denies it like it's actually important. But he lied, 'cause I sure did watch him showing up wearing black, and he knows that his daddy's on death row, but he'll say with his chest though. His friends moved out, he hasn't tried coke, but he's always had a problem saying no. His older brother bagged the valedictorian. His mother's steady screaming he should be more like him. Can you read my mind? I've been watching you. Couldn't find to save your life, but you look so cool.
Arte Badjo. Pag binibidyo, talaga kita randomly ko yung mga mukhang may sakit.
Says it first to me. Back of his mom's Mercury. He looks like he works with his hands and smells like Marlboro. It makes me so on. I can't get enough of it.
Kapwa. Ay, sorry. Kapwa. Go.
Just be crazy.
Damn.
And piss him off so he hates me. Yeah, right. He fucking loves me. Low song bad bitch, baby, come and get yourself. Can you read my mind? I've been watching you. Couldn't find to save your life, but
To Grassland. Gagi. Lala ng ulan. I'm so tired. I think it's been 6 hours. Wala pa yung mga kasama ko.
stars. Hard hearts to beat when you're on all fours. Could've meant that too. Oh, I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. Nah. Oh, I'd rather be with you. Nah, could've been that too. Oh, I'd rather be with you.
Happy to be here. Welcome po sa aking house and lot. Sa mansion. Sa taas ng bundok. Oh, nice. Knocks. Oh, ganda. Oh, sige, oh. Sige, manginig ka na. 1, 2, 3, go. Boss, what's happening, boss? Ah! God! Ano naman?